via digital YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this video, I am going to discuss about a Python program. Program is how many number of vowels present in a given file. Okay, how many vowels? How many vowels? How many vowels present in a given file? How many vowels present in a given file? To find the number of vowels in a given file. Number of vowels in a given file. For example, what is vowel? Vowels means in natural English language A, E, I, O, U. These are called as a vowels. A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. Either small letter or capital letter A, E, I, O, U. These all are called as a vowels. To find the number of vowels in a given file. For example, assume that it is a one file. In this file, for example, the file name is sample.txt. This is a file. The file name is sample.txt. In this file, to store the vowels, one letter is Python, one letter is C, one letter is CPP, and one letter is, for example, one word is Java. These are the words. These are the words stored in a file. Okay. How many number of vowels are present? The P is not a vowel. Y is not a vowel. T is not a vowel. H is not a vowel. O is a vowel. Now increasing the value, vowel value equal to basically 0. Now it is a vowel, increase the value. Now N, now C, and C, PP, and so Java is not a vowel, J is not a vowel, and A is a vowel. Now the second vowel, and V is not a vowel, and the A is a third vowel. Now the number of vowels equal to 3 in the given file. The file name is sample.txt. These are the words present in the number of words. Clear, guys, up to here? Now go to the programming part. The program is to find number of vowels in a given file. Now these are the vowels. Either small letter or capital letters. Okay, clear. Both capital and small letters. Now the finding. First of all, open a file by using the open function. How to open a file? File object, file pointer. So the file pointer equal to open syntax. By using open syntax, how to open a file? There are the two parameters. One parameter is the name of the file. Another parameter is the mode of the file. Which mode you have to open? Either write mode or read mode or appending mode. And reading and appending, reading and writing are only for appending or only for writing. There are the number of different ways to find the number of vowels. For example, first one to open a file, the file of open, the file name is, for example, sample.txt. Okay, and to open a file, the purpose is the reading purpose, because to read the value, if the value is A, or if the value is E, or the value is I, or O, or U, find the values. So that's why open a file in the reading mode only. How to read first file? For example, file pointer dot read. That means the entire file data, read the value, the entire value. The value is assigned to some X or V or some data, any one of X. After that, for I in X, using for loop, the X value is assigned to I. Each and every value is assigned to I. And the next, if I equal to A, okay, or I equal to E, or I equal to A, E, I, or I equal to O, or I equal to U, A, E, I, O, U. Clear, guys? Or by using the slash means continuation character, backslash. Now A, E, I, O, U. Similarly small also, capital also. Similarly small, capital also. Or A, E, I, O, U, or again another condition. The condition is I equal to capital A, or I equal to capital E, or I equal to capital I, anyone, either small letter or capital letter. I equal to capital O, or I equal to capital U, A, E, I, O, to any one value, either small or capital value, colon. Find the vowel. To find the vowel. If it is a condition is true, and immediately to find the vowel value, and one variable to store the vowel equal to vowel plus 1. Vowel plus 1, increasing the vowel value. Now here, to store the simple variable name is vowel. We initialize the value equal to vowel equal to 0. Print number of vowels equal to number of vowels in a given file. Equal to vowel. Okay, clear guys? Okay, now we are open a one file. The file name is sample.txt. Store some data. And for example, to open a file, the sample.txt file. To create a file, sample.txt file, here no data. For example, assume that this is a data. One data is Python. Okay. One is C, one is CPP, one is Java. These are the data. The data in the sample.txt. How many number of vowels? P is not a vowel, Y is not a vowel, T is not a vowel, H is not a vowel, but O is a vowel, one vowel, and N no, and store the new line. C is not a vowel. Again, the C is not a vowel, P is not a vowel, P is not a vowel, J is not a vowel, and A is a vowel. Okay, A is a vowel. So now up to here, two vowels are present in the file. Again, the next V is not a vowel. Again, the A is a vowel. Up to here, the total number of vowels are 3. The total number of vowels in a given file is 3. For example, one is a data science. Okay. Up to here, the total number of vowels 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total number of vowels in the file is 8 vowels. Clear right up to here. Now save the file, save this file and close it first of all. Now here, so this is a one file. The file name is the one file. The file name is sample.txt. Okay, here clear guys. The file name is sample.txt. One word is Python. Okay. C, CPP, Java, and for example, this is a data science. These are the words. This is a data, or these are the words stored in a file. The file name is sample.txt. Sample.txt. Now to store already, this data is already stored in the sample.txt file. Okay, clear. Now here, this is a file. To open this file in the reading mode. That means to read the data from the file. Clear? Okay, reading. And next, fp.filepointer.read. The entire data is read. This data is stored in X. So now, for example, assume that it is a X, and the one variable, the variable value count vowel value equal to here one variable, the variable value vowel equal to 0. The initial value vowel value equal to 0. Clear? Okay. The next one, for I in X, every time in X, this is the X value, P, Y, P, H, O, N, C, CPP, Java, data science. Every time the X value is assigned to I. Here the first time P value assigned to I. So now if I value, here the P value assigned to I. If the I value equal to P equal to A, false. All these statements are false. So this is not executed. Again the control goes to back. Next time I value is Y. Takes the I value, second value. I value equal to Y. All these are false. Okay. P, Y, T. No. False. All the 10 conditions are false. H. Okay. All the 10 conditions are false. Again, go to back. I value is next time. O. Next time I value equal to O. A false. E false. I false. O. True. A, E, I, O. O value is true. In our condition, any one relational expression is true. The remaining values are false. Automatically, finally, it returns the value equal to true. So now this condition returns the value true. Okay. When automatically this statement will be executed. If this condition is true, automatically this statement will be executed. Now the vowel equal to vowel plus 1 to increasing the vowel value. Okay. Again go to N. No. C fail. P value fail. Again C fail. P fail. Again the J value fail. be a value. If the a value, I equal to a equal to a true. Now this condition returns true. Value increasing by 1, value equal to 2. Again, okay. Now Java. Now here the Java. No data science up to Java only. Okay, up to only 4 Python, C, CVP, and Java only. Okay, now for example. Now here, so now the number value equal to and find the data the a value and also and so on up to find the number of vowels. The clear guys? So now run this vowel counting program to find the number of vowels in a given file or to count the number of vowels in a given file. Both are same, no problem. Vowel equal to vowel plus 1 or count equal to count plus 1, both are same, right? The value. Now here, run this program. Okay. Here number of vowels equal to the total number of vowels in a given file equal to 8. This is a file. If any error, the program is not executed, please observe this each and every point. The first one is to find the number of vowels. Here, what are the vowels? Small letters A, E, I, O. Vowels. Capital letters are A, E, I, O is vowels to find the values in the given, find the number of vowels in the given file. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.